Ubhagwan Khuba Ubade Union Minister of State of New and Renewable Energy Jngoh Sarkar India Hakakat Pratrik Banai Jimang Ulawan Jngoh Eka West Khasi Hills District Dakabay Ïakynduh Ru Ophisar Jngoh District Barok Kawai. Utayu Menteri ke Sarkar Pedeng ulayo ru bania peliu jingmut bat ki Ophisar hakabaya dei bat Shibun ki Kampen Roy ki Belawan Lingba ke Sarkar kemi hapok ke district haka Jingelang ke Belalong ha Conference Hall Jngoh Office u Deputy Commissioner ke West Khasi Hills District. Hadin ketika Ïakynduh bagi Ophisar nakaliang jungte menteri ulayo ru bani Ïakynduh se ki bor sensyar Shillong beper bat kinong sensyar hima Jngoh district bat beteng pat saka jinglet jurip ya ka Agan Wadi Center hamau kawa ya ka school Sipsing hamau klam nong pendeng.
So every citizen is now getting benefit of central government as well as state government. So today I have reviewed all the departments schemes. Very much I am satisfied with the schemes implementing their state government and district administration, and they have some challenges and problems. We have addressed how to tackle those challenges and problems. So my best wishes to the district administration and citizen of this district. Thank you.
Yes, sir. We mobilize, we create awareness, create more consciousness to them, sir, to change to the mindset to change with the change of time.
Next time these challenges should be addressed by you.
Yes.
There is no question of keeping pending.
Yes, yes. This is on our part, on the part of the community, sir, on this area.
Can I answer? Sir, I was here now for more than 6 months. One issue which affects not only this team, because of the Aadhaar card. And we are trying our level best to create awareness, and when for Kamut, stay in a place for enrollment. Still the people are slow to accept because of various reasons. One reason is the religious belief. So it will take time, sir. And what I see, this will be the main issue we have to address, because unless the Aadhaar card is issued, that will be issue in getting the central fund also, sir.
District administration responsibility. Yes, sir. You have to be more speed and more pop-up with the issues what facing present.
95% of the land is owned by the private, by the individual communities. So we have programs when we implement community assets, like NRL. The wetland is with the individual household. Almost even the stream, the rivers are in the individual land. Then even when we create physical assets like academic sectors, like some building, training building, so we have to negotiate for the land. Even when we do afforestation, even when we do the other NRL work, we have to deal with it.